Today we're going to learn about one of the spelling rules that you need to know as a writer, whether or not we use an or a. Before we can do that, we need to understand our vowels. Our vowels are A, E, I, O and U. Here is an example of when we would use an. I ate an apple. Apple starts with A, so because that's a vowel, I have to use an. In the next sentence it says, I ate an ice cream. This ice cream starts with a vowel, I, so I have to use an. The next sentence says, I ate an egg. Again, egg starts with a vowel, E, so the spelling rule is that I have to use an. Okay, so here are some more examples. I've mixed it up this time. This first sentence here says, I have an egg on my head. Goodness me, that's not that great, is it? Anyway, back to the spelling rule. I have an egg on my head. The reason I've used an is because E is a vowel, and that means I have to use an. So, an egg. The next sentence here says, I ate a banana. Here's my A or my A. This is a consonant, so it's okay to use I ate a banana. Okay, this next one says, I have an umbrella. I'm using an because a U is a vowel, and that's the spelling rule. An before a vowel. U, umbrella. And the last sentence here says, I have a pear. P is a consonant, so it's okay for me to say, I have a pear. I hope you found this little flip video helpful. Have a good one. Cheery bye.